Did you know that comparison shopping can save you tons of money on your purchases? Google Shopping is a great tool to get started whenever you're looking to buy something. I'm Karis from ClarkDeals.com, and our team uses this tool every day to ensure we're finding the very best deals for you. This price comparison tool used to be called Frugal, but now you can get to it by going to google.com/shopping. You can use Google Shopping if you're researching a general category like patio furniture or almost any specific item. When you're searching for a particular item, use the model number versus the SKU number. A model number is created by the manufacturer, while the SKU is used by an individual store to organize the item in their system. Google Shopping may also show you related items when you're searching for something specific. Typically, the first item will be an exact match for your search term, but further down the screen, you might see other things like older models or other relevant products. You can customize your search with different filters including price and seller. But there are a few big landmines to watch out for when you're using Google Shopping. Some retailers that show up on Google Shopping are fake. You'll want to avoid shopping at disreputable sellers that steal your hard-earned money. Always check for our website's customer service information and look for the company's social media presence, especially on Facebook. If there are a lot of misspellings, no security seal, or it looks like a scam, don't buy from that seller. You can also go to the Better Business Bureau website to determine whether the site is reputable and to see if they have any customer complaints. One thing to keep in mind, Google Shopping is not going to show you the price of an item after a coupon is applied. Retailers often have coupons that may make the price even cheaper than the lowest priced item found using Google Shopping. You may also find extra discounts by using a Google Chrome extension like Honey. Any comparison shopping you do can add up and save you big over time. Just remember that Google Shopping won't always show you the best prices from all over the web, but it's a great tool for comparison shopping. Let us know how you save on your purchases in the comments below, and go to ClarkDeals.com, where we're hard at work every single day to bring you the very best deals.